Hi guys, this is your boy Louis. Today we're making a little trip. We're going to a place which I saw on Instagram. It's somewhere a little bit away from Frankfurt, like a little bit in the, I'll call it mountains. It's really not mountains, but hills. And there I saw a really nice picture of from the drone. So I want to go recreate this. And I'm here with my wife. She's driving for sure. Yeah, because I don't have her driving license yet in Germany. She's a good driver though. Yeah. And yeah, I want to document this trip together. I'll show you what's going on. So right now we are in the highway. For sure the German's highway, everybody's like in a hurry. It's the first day of the year, so I hope I keep this up. And yeah, I hope you enjoy this trip as much I am going to. Let's get into it. The switch I want to make picture of, it's over there. So I think, as you could see on the video, it was pretty cloudy on this day. So I decided not to fly anymore because we could not see anything as we go up. So I decided that we're gonna make another trip, another day, almost to the same place. And when I make this trip, for sure I'm gonna post it, and you'll see the type of picture and video which I was aiming to make on this day. Thank you for watching, and looking forward to the next one.